So we just got this brand new walking pad and I'm about to try it for the very first time. I don't know why I kind of feel a little bit nervous. I've never tried one of these. Of course, I've tried the treadmill, but it's different. I know that this doesn't go as fast as a treadmill, which is really great. But of course, this is meant for, under the desk if you want to make sure that you're just kind of keep on moving while you are working from home, or maybe you can bring it to your office as well. The shocking thing about this that I had no idea is that it has a weight capacity of over 300 pounds. So that is definitely good to know. Comes with a really easy to use remote, and I'm just going to go ahead and step on it. I mean, I know that if I were using a proper treadmill, I would be wearing, shoes and sneakers, but just because I'm going, for a walk, a slight brisk walk, I'm just going to kind of go barefoot and see how it goes. Because again, this is my very first time doing this. Okay, so all I did was hit the on button and right away it goes to 0.6. And then, yeah, let's just go with the up button. I believe this one goes just like 3.8. But if I'm doing some work, I personally cannot go that fast. Wow, okay, yeah, wow, this moves. Like even at this speed, I don't know if I could do some typing, but I love that. That's actually really cool that I can slow it down to actually do some work. Or maybe at night I want to watch some TV and get my steps in. I'll actually kind of get my sweat on. This thing's awesome. It's very comfortable on my feet. I feel good. I feel wide enough. I like it. I'm definitely a fan.